I'm Mike and welcome to the workshop. I don't know about you, but I spend quite a lot of time during a project looking for pencils that I definitely put down in an exact place and then they just would disappear. So, time to solve this. So let's roll the intro! So this is 100% messing around. I have no idea what's going to come out of here. So let's say I want, let's say 30 pencils. That seems like an excessive amount. And there's no point in not doing an excessive amount. So our enclosure would want to be, let's say, 200 wide inside. The idea being we'll have all the pencils in the chute, and then down the bottom I can pull each pencil out individually, and as I find them I can put them back in the chute and have a never-ending supply of pencils. So let's get some scraps and start messing around. Actually found this scrap piece that seems to be just about the right size, so we're going to make our pencil loader out of mostly this scrap. So, start work. Let's say 100 mil high. So this is a rough sketch what we're going to do here. It's very simple. Shallow box, a little angle on the bottom so that the pencils roll down. We have a little access point in here that we can stick our finger in, pull out a pencil, drop them in the top, and we have infinite pencils. So let's start doing a bit of cutting. So before we pardon me, before we sand this up and fill it and make it look half presentable for the workshop, I suppose we better check that it works. So this should work on the flat. I'm also going to put a bracket on it so I can hang it on my door here and easily access pencils. So let us test it. And to do that, we need to load it with pencils. So that's not too bad. I'm going to make this groove at the bottom a little deeper just so I can kind of pull some more pencils free. It holds a lot. I will count them and put the number here. So we're nearly done. Check that little adjustment and then we'll clean it up. Right, we're going to hang this using French cleats. I've explained French cleats before, and in fact I'll show you. So here is a wall of the workshop you don't often see, and my wrenches, or these are my Allen keys and these are my hex keys, hang on French cleats. So you can see here there's an angle cut out of this piece, the opposite angle is cut on the piece on the wall, and they sit on top of one another. And essentially I'm going to do the same thing here. Not with measurements and stuff, but you know, whatever. I'm going to score a line down here. I have no idea what just fell over. Strike a 45. And just nip that off with my hands. Now, they're hanging cleats. Now it's all smooth and sanded. Let's attach our French cleat. We're not going to do anything special here. This ain't going to weigh much, so a few drops of Uber glue and we should be good. Now to load it. Well, now it's loaded, but this is my channel and I can't deny you a bit of Danish Oil Time. So let's unload it. And now it's time for Danish Oil Time. I didn't totally forget about it until I had it loaded with pencils. Never happened. There we have it, Mike's patented pencil dispenser machine. This is a fun project. It was an idea that came to me a long time ago. Is it practical? I mean, it works. Would I make a better one? Yeah. I think I would have another go at this. I think it's just fun as an object art. I would probably slope the inside here, give a little bit more space, because sometimes the pencils do get a little bit stuck, but you know, we have that longer groove, so we can just loosen them up a bit. But this is one of those examples of jobs to do just because they're fun, and just because you can. So, if you've liked this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And if you want access to way too many pencils in your workshop, 50 or so, absolutely do. Try this at home.